Assalamu alaikum. You're watching CID News Network Islamabad. This is Salwa Shams with today's headlines. The Federal Board of Revenue (FBR) has lifted sales tax on the import of fresh fruits from Afghanistan starting from today. Pakistan has firmly rejected a claim made by India at the UN General Assembly that Jammu and Kashmir is its integral part and internal matter. Reacting to the Indian claim, Pakistani delegate Saima Salim said Kashmir is an internationally recognized disputed territory. Jammu and Kashmir neither is a so-called integral part of India nor is it India's internal matter. The Iraqi government is planning to acquire 12 JF-17A Block 3 fighters from Pakistan and has reportedly set aside more than $600 million in funding for the purchase. Pakistani comedian Umar Sharif, who is in a local medical facility for treatment for the past few weeks, is set to depart to the United States on Sunday night. Security forces have killed a terrorist during a gun battle in the North Waziristan district. A terrorist was killed during an intelligence-based operation in North Waziristan. At least 4 persons of the Frontier Corps were murdered on Saturday, while the other 2 were said to be injured in a bomb attack near the area of Harnai in Balochistan. Pakistan on Sunday reported 1,780 new infections, the lowest number of coronavirus cases since July 22nd, while the positivity rate has been dropped to 3.98% today. That's all from today's headlines. Keep watching CID News Network. Thank you.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.